on the hunt for some new toys. We on the hunt for some new toys. We're gonna have to get some socks too. We on the hunt for some toys. Nana, this way. But you do need to. Oh, that's a cool sippy cup. Is that a sippy cup? You want it? All right, come on, get that. You don't want it? I think it's a sippy cup. What is this? Or is it soap?
Huh? I want a sippy cup.
It's soap. Come on. You don't want it? Hmm? You want toys? All right, come on. Let me see what toys they got. It doesn't look like they have a big selection of toys. We'll probably have to go to a different store. This way. This way. They don't have a lot of toys here.
Huh?
They don't have a lot of toys. They don't have a big selection of toys here. We're gonna have to go to a different store. They have no toys here. What's that? It's chalk.
Huh?
It's a chalk set. Look at this. Whoa. Look at that. That's cool. That's cool. You want to get that? That's cool. We can put it on the floor. Look what it does. Look. You put it on the ground and look. Look what it does. Look. Look. No, look. Look at, no, not on the phone. Look right here. Look. Look at the boy. That's what it does. That's cool. You want to get it? Let's see what books they have. I'm going to get this book too. Okay. Looks like we found something. So, Paw Patrol. And it's got like the whole thing we can lay out on the floor. So this is going to be pretty cool. What other toys they have? Mission accomplished. Now they say mission accomplished. Come this way, this way. Come on, we got to put it in the trunk. Put it in the trunk. Come on, put it in there. Put it in.
I'm not putting it there.
Okay, I'm gonna take. You want me to take the car out? Okay, say it again.
Hey, everybody.
What you about to do?
Some party to do. We go.
Okay.
The Paw Patrol toys.
Is it Paw Patrol toys?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Okay, who's the red car?
Right here.
Yeah, who's the red car?
Right here.
Yeah, who's that?
Right here.
Yeah, who is it?
It's Chase and Marshall.
Chase and Marshall?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay.
Baby,
So you gonna take 'em out?
Respect you. Chase it on the case.
Chase is on the case?
I said, and the roof was finished. Chase it on the case.
Okay. Space. You gotta make room. Move your toys. Move your toys.
It's that